Hi, my name is Dr. Karl Yousef, and I'm here to break down what to expect in the emergency department when you come in with car accident or motor vehicle accident. I'll walk you through certain things your doctor may be thinking about, and afterwards, I'll explain certain labs or imaging that you might receive. Depending on the complaint, we'll finish with some potential outcomes to expect if your doctor sends you home. Remember, in the emergency department, we don't just look for what is going on, we look for what isn't going on. What does this mean? It means that as emergency doctors, we always have a mental list of scary diagnoses that we have to make sure are not happening to you. So, even if we don't find the exact diagnosis within one ER visit, our goal is always to rule out big, bad, and scary things. As you go through your workup, remember that even if you don't see your doctor for some time, they are always following your results in the background. So, you're coming into the emergency room after a car or motor vehicle accident. Being in a car accident can be a very scary experience, especially since it occurs very quickly. The aches and pains you have afterwards can be confusing, and it can be hard to know if you're badly injured. When you see myself or another emergency doctor after a car accident or any other type of accident, we have a checklist of concerns that we address. First, we make sure your airway and your breathing are okay. Once we are convinced of that, we make sure that we don't believe that you're hemorrhaging. That means bleeding out from somewhere. You'll notice that we do a thorough head-to-toe exam to make sure that we don't suspect any broken bones or other injuries, including bleeding in the brain, chest, abdomen, or pelvis. In addition to bleeding, we're also considering any broken bones. Furthermore, we're also making sure that we don't suspect the accident occurred due to any medical reason, such as a heart attack, a stroke, a seizure, or any other condition. After a physical exam by your doctor, you may get CT scans or X-rays of certain body parts. If you do not get X-rays or CT scans, your doctor likely has a low suspicion for any severe injuries. Now remember, this does not mean that everything is perfectly okay. You may still have painful bruises of your bones and injuries to the muscles, ligaments, or tendons. Additionally, you may have abrasions or cuts of the skin and other issues related to physical trauma. After some time, your doctor will explain your results to you. If your doctor is recommending that you stay in the hospital, it could be for additional monitoring, or it could be that your doctor found something that needs extra attention. In either case, your doctor will explain to you the reason for keeping you in the hospital. Finally, if your symptoms improve and you're being sent home, I'm happy to hear that. Make sure to follow your doctor's recommendations, and if your symptoms are not improving or are getting worse at home, we always encourage you to come back to the emergency department to make sure nothing was missed on the first visit. After any kind of vehicle accident or physical trauma, please note you will very likely have pain and possibly muscle soreness over the next few days. This is because of contusions to the bones and strains of the muscles, which all serve to protect your body during the accident. You may feel worse the next day, but your symptoms should gradually improve over the next 3 to 4 days. And if not, we always advise you to come back to the emergency department for a repeat evaluation. I know that being in the emergency department can be an incredibly stressful experience, and I hope this is helpful for you. Again, this is Dr. Karl Yousef. Wherever you are, we care about you. We work hard to make sure that you're okay. While you wait, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more medical information from a board-certified emergency doctor. You can comment with video ideas that you want me to cover, and I'll take the time to reply to you. You can even watch some of the other videos on this channel for entertainment. Thank you for your time. I'm wishing you the best in your health.